Coronavirus vaccine. When will we have one? Coronavirus is spreading around the world, but there are still no vaccines to protect the body against the disease it causes, COVID-19.
Why is a coronavirus vaccine important?
A vaccine would provide some protection by training people's immune systems to fight the virus so they should not become sick.
About 80 groups around the world are researching vaccines, and some are now entering clinical trials.
However, no one knows how effective any of these vaccines will be. When will we have a coronavirus vaccine?
A vaccine would normally take years, if not decades, to develop. Most experts think a vaccine is likely to become available by mid-2021, about 12 to 18 months after the new virus, known officially as SARS-CoV-2, first emerged.
4 coronaviruses already circulate in human beings. They cause common cold symptoms, and we don't have vaccines for any of them. What do I need to know about the coronavirus? Multiple research groups have designed potential vaccines, however, there is much more work to do. The idea of giving people the vaccine and then deliberately infecting them, known as a challenge study, would give quicker answers, but is seen as too dangerous while there is no known treatment. How many people need to be vaccinated? It is hard to know without knowing how effective the vaccine is going to be.
It is thought that 60 to 70% of people needed to be immune to the virus in order to stop it spreading easily, known as herd immunity.
But that would be billions of people around the world if the vaccine worked perfectly. How do you create a vaccine? Vaccines harmlessly show viruses or bacteria, or even small parts of them, to the immune system.
The main method of vaccination for decades has been to use the original virus. The work on a new coronavirus vaccine is using newer, and less tested, approaches called plug-and-play vaccines. Because we know the genetic code of the new coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, we have the complete blueprint for building it.
Researchers in Oxford have put small sections of its genetic code into a harmless virus that infects chimpanzees. They hope they have developed a safe virus that looks enough like the coronavirus to produce an immune response.
Other groups are using pieces of raw genetic code, either DNA or RNA, depending on the approach, which, once injected into the body, should start producing bits of viral proteins which the immune system again can learn to fight.
Would a vaccine protect people of all ages? It will, almost inevitably, be less successful in older people, because aged immune systems do not respond as well to immunization. We see this with the annual flu jab. It may be possible to overcome this by either giving multiple doses or giving it alongside a chemical called an adjuvant that gives the immune system a boost. Who would get a vaccine? If a vaccine is developed, then there will be a limited supply, at least initially, so it will be important to prioritize. However, it might be better to vaccinate those who live with or care for the elderly instead.